In this video we're going to look at different elements of servicing this Yamaha 3 horsepower Malta 2-stroke outboard. So on this Yamaha Malta we're going to do the gearbox oil now. Very straightforward on this engine. We've got a lower and upper plug, and what we want to do is we want to make sure we can get this one out first and then this one. The reason being, if we take this one out and the oil starts coming out and we can't get the top one out because it's seized, we can't really replenish the oil very well because you fill the oil from the bottom and you purge the air out the vent at the top. So we'll make sure we can slacken both these off. I always take this one out first and have it in my hand, therefore I know it's going to fully come out. We'll open the bottom one, drain all the oil out, and then we'll connect the oil pump it all the way up, put the top plug in. Okay, it's like a partial vacuum. We can take the bottom one out, put the plug back in, obviously new washers top and bottom, and that's the gear oil done. So I've already checked these, I know I can get them out, so I'll just take the bottom one out and the top one and I'll show you the oil coming out. There's obviously it's a very small box on the back there, so not much oil's inside. So here we go, I'll just drop the bottom one first. The top one's still in, but you should see a little bit of oil coming out. See that golden oil coming out. And what we're looking for the oil is we're looking to make sure that there's no water in it. And if there was, it would be emulsified, so it would be like a white milk coming out. If it's been in for a while, it could smell. There might be shiny metallic parts in it as well, but that oil there is absolutely perfect. And the reason we change it is obviously because, first of all, we can't see the condition of the oil, and second of all, oil doesn't stay oil forever. It breaks down, it deteriorates. Obviously the oil's suspended, it's in the gears, it's turning, and eventually that oil does break down and it stops performing as it should. So that's why we change it. Same as engine oil. Engine oil is a bit more obvious because it goes black, you know, it burns away as well. We need to top it up. But gear oil, it's one of those ones that's overlooked because you can't see it and there's no warning until basically you have a catastrophic failure. But this oil looks absolutely perfect. So like I say, we'll fill it back up, put new washers on the plugs, and that's us good to go. Yeah, if you've got any queries about how to do the oil on this Yamaha Malta, this is the 3 horsepower, the 6L5. Let me know in the comments and I'll help you through it. Apart from that, it's as simple as that. I'm not even going to show you putting the oil in because I've got other videos on that. And like I say, if you've got any issues, let me know and I'll help you out. But thanks for watching.